bless the Unicode Consortium for letting humans express themselves more freely through emojis. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Unicode Emoji Subcommittee-Chair Jennifer Daniel offered a peek at 9 new designs that should hit your devices by next spring, and that cracking face is immediately going to be one of the most used emoji. It depicts a smiling face that's crumbling apart, indicating a facade of positivity behind one which is not okay, and honestly, isn't that all of us? When the Unicode Technical Committee accepted several emojis for the Unicode 18 list in October last year, a face with squinting eyes option was included. And that changed in January when the UTC replaced it with cracking face. Apart from that, we have the Meteor, which looks like a flaming meatball and is distinctly apart from the common emoji we already have. In addition, there's an eraser emoji and a net with a handle, which matches up with the new Monarch Butterfly, which you may use to indicate beauty. However, there's a reason for adding 2 winged insects among the emoji options. Daniel says, the blue morpho is locked down globally as a symbol for pretty aesthetics and manicured Instagram feeds. The Monarch is an entirely different beast. Daniel said that the Monarch carries a narrative of generational resilience, endurance, and deep ancestral memory. The new emojis also includes a lighthouse and 2 hands with thumbs that point left and right. Then there's the Pickle emoji, which of course will only be used when someone talks about pickles, obviously. If any of these emojis enticed you, especially that crack face one, you'll have to wait until next year. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.